Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to block YouTube channels on YouTube the easy way. First thing, let's launch the YouTube app. When you're on YouTube, let's scroll through the feed and let's try to find someone that you want to block. Let's go over here. Let's say we want to block this channel over here, Rai Cinema, okay? You want to click on the channel itself. And then you want to scroll all the way to the top of the channel where you see the 3 straight lines in form of a dots, of course. You're going to have a pop-up menu where you will have the option, first of all, to hide user from my channel. When you click this one, what this simply will do, this will hide existing and future comments from this user on my channel, and this will simply hide this channel to see my content and my actual profile. This is option number 1. But this doesn't mean that they won't be able to see your content if your content is shared from somebody else. How you can go even further? If you click back again to this particular option, you will have the function over here to click report user. YouTube add a new features on this option, right? And when you click over here, you will have the option to click report user on their own profile. And what I mean by the add new features, well, it's no longer something that it's obvious that is like illegal or against the guidance from YouTube, but you can actually click none of this are my issue. So for example, there is something else that you can actually use in your report. But again, very important, everything has to be legitimate. It has to be a legitimate reason. You cannot make up the stuff, right? You can report someone if they're stealing your content, stealing your titles, copying your production, trying to spam your comments on the comment section just to get your subscribers or followers or essentially your audience. It has to be a legitimate reason. And what I'm saying is that if you scroll down, there are reasons that you can actually use. As you can see, spam and deceptive practices, fake engagement, impressionating, external links, spam. If somebody keep coming to your channel just spamming and using bad words for your content, it spits lies, it's trying to bash you and your channel, this is probably something that you can use. Also, it is very important that a lot of this that is allowed over here to be reported as an issue are usually stuff that are not related to your own channel. So you want to make sure that you find something that is extremely relative to your own situation, and you can also submit a report. When you click help here on YouTube. You'll be able to submit your personal report and let them know what is your issue with this channel. Because like I said, everything has to be legitimate, everything has to be backed with real evidences and real issue. Otherwise, you cannot simply report anyone for no reason, right? Or like something that is not actually happening. But as long as they are hide, the first option I showed you, they will not be able to comment on your videos, they will not be able to see your content. And your content most likely will not be recommended to them anymore, even though they are subscribed to the channel. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.